In this video I will show you how can you turn off your messenger notification for a certain period of time. You can see here I have turned off my notification for 24 hours. In this video I will show you how can you turn off your notification for a certain period of time. For turning off, you have to simply open your messenger. And after opening your messenger, you have to simply click here three line. After clicking here three line, you have to simply click here settings. You can see here settings option. After clicking here settings gear option, you will can see here option. If you scroll down, then you will can see here option notification and sound. You have to simply click here, and after clicking here you will can see here this kind of interface. From here you can off any kind of notification if you want singly, and here you can see here turn off option. You have to simply click here turn off. If you want to turn off all kind of notification, then you can see here you can edit, or if you want to turn off for a certain period like 24 hour for me, then you have to simply click here OK. After clicking here OK, you can see here you will not get any kind of notification through the 24 hour. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.